Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your zodiac information on your Snapchat profile. So select your profile page here and you are going to select the zodiac here. Make sure you've already inputted your birth date as well. Select it and you'll be able to read the sun. The sun is this one, and it's the sun in Aquarius. You can also read more here. There is the moon in Scorpio, okay. Rising in Aries, okay. Mercury, okay. You can just read through it by just pressing it. So there is the, unique and visionary. You do things in your own way and time. And whether you're interested in science, philanthropy, or the arts, your perspective and skill set is truly your own. Unique, friendly, independent. Probably not independent, but anyways, moon in Scorpio, you have a clear vision of what you want and you'll use any means. Okay, just read it. Then if you want to, you can share it here. You can also read more here. But that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.